In order for me to explain, let me try and divide this like so and add customer. So this is the service class and this is the test. So let's go step by step. So here, the add customer takes the customer registration request, and this is what we have in here, customer registration request. Then we have this if statement. So if customer DAO exists customer with email, so if this is true, then we throw an exception. Otherwise, we continue. So we are saying, so because we have a mock, customer DAO is a mock. So we are telling, look, if you are given this email with value alex@gmail.com, please say that you don't have it in the database. Therefore, we can continue. So now that we continue, we construct the customer that we want to add to our system or to our database by grabbing the values from the request in here, right? And then we pretty much invoke customer DAO.insert and then the customer. Now at this point, we are constructing this customer. And from within our test, we want to grab the customer that was sent into insert customer. So when we invoke under test, then what we're going to do is we want to capture this value in here. So the way to do it is we say, look, we want an argument capture, and then we're going to verify that indeed insert customer was invoked. So here, verify customer DAO insert customer. So this is what we are verifying here, right? But this customer right here, what we want is we want to extract the value. So we want to extract so that we can perform some assertions. So here, this is what we do. So we capture the value, then we extract the value. So this customer right here is this one. And then we perform the assertions. So assert that the captured value get ID is null because the ID is generated by the database. And then we make sure that the name is the same as the request, the email same as the request, and the age same as the age. Now, why this is important? Well, if I was to remove, or not even remove, but let's say we say 100 here, right? Now, if I run my test, this fails, right? Because expected 19, but it was 100. So what we're doing here is we are making sure that this value, which is sent into our DAO, never changes, right? So if we send this, so this request right here, we are expecting that these values will be sent within this customer object. And that's why we capture the value so that we can compare the values against what was sent. And to be honest, this is it. Let me just revert that and we are good to go. If you have any questions on this, please do let me know. But I think we still have to test addCustomer, and that is for this if statement in here, which would be relatively easy, but I'll show you. And then for delete customer by ID, update customer, these two will be an exercise. So let's just test this if statement in here.